on deck. And number 4, if you wish to be part of our celebration, please make your way to Tide's restaurant on deck. And number 5, starboard side, where you will be dressed properly to become part of our celebration. There is a meeting in 10 minutes in the centrum to begin the celebration of the King.
Poseidon. Danny. Poseidon. Danny. Poseidon. Me. Lighting. How about that? Here we go. Look up there. Oh, the octopus.
Actually, I like mine.
Yum.
Yeah.
Special event, we have the greatest authority on board of our vessel to greet King Poseidon. Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Dusty! I think my Uber driver brought me to the wrong place. I came for an Atlantic crossing ceremony and I showed up at a Catholic toga party. Welcome everybody. With supreme royal consent, I, King Poseidon, sovereign of the dolphins, of the sharks, and of mermaids, and of all the fish in the depths of the ocean, welcome your vessel into the eastern hemisphere of the world. Sailors gotta do what a sailor's gotta do, I guess. Symbol of sovereignty and power. I, King Poseidon, Lord of the abysses and of the oceans, accept the gift given to me by you, Captain Dustin, of this vessel, as a symbol of
O
peace.
sovereign of the oceans and governor of marine currents, I accept the fin of your niece and only ask in return some sunshine and smoother seas.
I will do what I can. But I have to check with my wife first. And now, in nomine Neptuni optimi, maximi maris oceanum, Atlanticum, de veneratissimi norsumus dux, jewel of the seas, solemnitur, conclamavis per terras et maris, quae hodie in omni tempestate transiret. Amen. Pax vobiscum. Amen. Remember we mentioned honesty, Captain. And we need redemption.
We have officers that need redemption.
Indeed.
¿Hay redención a pedir? Okay. So, what happened?
Well, the first ones were noticed stealing and eating slices of cheese from the buffet before guests could enjoy them.
Fabio and Nicholas, they were seen stealing cheese. Nanny, please come to the slaughter. And for them, Poseidon, what do you want them to be? What do you want them to suffer?
If they were stealing cheese, so it reminds me a little bit of la comida.
Italian comida, Italian food.
Italian food. So if you have something appropriate to
I think we
pour
do
on
have
them,
something.
it would be good.
Are you satisfied now, King Poseidon? Not yet. Todavía no. Bueno, la comida italiana, Italian food is with sauce, I think. Sí. Ready? On your knees? On your knees?
It's you.
1, 2, 3. Are you satisfied, Poseidon? Thank you! Taking the blame for this. Alright. Okay, for the two of you, Poseidon, what shall we do?
The one who is on his knees was worse.
Okay, Danny, this is for you, and this is for me. To the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Poseidon, are you satisfied? Not yet. ¿No estás satisfecho? No, todavía no. Okay, we need to go one more. Ready, Poseidon? Can we go? 1, 2, 3. Poseidon, are you satisfied now?
Yes.
Thank you! Big round of applause for Werner and Eusebio, our officers.
Bow before Poseidon.
Wait.
Mercy!
No mercy. Oh, great Poseidon. Yes. Should we proceed?
Wait.
With great
Nico, wait,
relish
wait.
and joy,
Just-
proceed.
Ugo! Open here. Ready? Open one. 1, 2, Ugo! 2, 3. 3. Ask him if he's okay. Ask him.
Are you okay with the punishment?
What do you think?
What do you think? Do we need
More.
more? I didn't hear you. Do we need
Let it be so.
Be on it!
Det siente como Willy Wonka.
more? Oh, that looks delicious.
2.
Poseidon, do we need more?
Oh my god.
Or is this enough?
Sorry, put it down.
This is enough. This is enough. Give it up for a cruise!
And we begin now with the flag course for everybody who wish to part of it. Come and celebrate the Poseidon coming here to the back on this side because we're gonna make a conga, a line for everybody who wish to be part and baptized. Come over here and we're gonna begin together with our people for serving a glass of champagne. Are we ready? Musica! All right.
What do I do? Hold my head over? Oh, somebody's slow.